During sexual intercourse, some couples use saliva to make the whole thing fun, and some also use it as a lubricant to make penetration into the vagina easier. But the thing is that saliva can slow the movement of sperm into the vagina, thereby leading to infertility. There are some habits that you might be doing in your sexual life that might just be stopping you from getting pregnant, and those are the habits I want to talk about today. So let's get to it. Number one habit is having sex on the wrong days. Having sex when you are not ovulating. I have done a video on how you can calculate your cycle length, your fertile days, and your safe days. Please go and see that video. When you are trying to conceive, you need to know the right time to have sex. There are days that are considered your fertile days in which you are most likely to get pregnant, and those are the days you should focus on. If I say focus on, I do not mean go and carry a book and a Bible and start saying no, these are the days. No, wait, these are the days we must have sex. And no, make it fun. It must not be a task. Just enjoy it, and make sure you have sex on the right days, on the days that you are possibly going to be ovulating and that you have high chances of getting pregnant. Another sexual habit that is stopping you from getting pregnant is not having enough sex. There is no magic to it. Everybody knows the only way you can get pregnant is for sperm to be deposited in the vagina. So there is no amount of prayer you are going to pray when you are not having sex that will help you get pregnant. Darling, you just have to have sex. That's the only way to get pregnant naturally. So you need to have enough sex. You need to make sure you're having sex at least every other day during your fertile window. Sperm can stay up in the body 3 to 5 days, yes, but it's not all sperm. Some can even die at 3 days. So that is why you need to have sex as often as possible. But darling, please make it fun. Do not make it look like a task. In that way, you will not get your results. So another habit, abstinence. I want you to abstain. Hey, calm down. Let me explain. I know I just told you about not having enough sex, that you need to have sex at least every other day, and now I'm telling you to abstain. Yeah, but not for you, for the man. Studies have shown that sperm is very active, very good when the man has abstained for at least 2 to 3 days. And when I say abstinence, I do not just mean abstaining from sexual intercourse. It means abstaining from anything that could possibly cause ejaculation. So you are abstaining from ejaculation. That doesn't mean that sperm, if you have sex every day, the sperm is going to be bad. No, it is not bad. I'm just saying that it is going to be very effective, like at its highest, when you have abstained for 2 to 3 days. So if your husband is the type that he's involved in it with you and you are both trying to conceive, so before your fertile days, I would advise that probably you abstain for 2 to 3 days. Then during your fertile days, you can start having sex every other day. That is to make sure that the sperm are the best quality that you can think of. And then even if it is every day you can do, then that's fine. But just make sure that as at the time your fertile window is starting, your husband would have abstained from ejaculation for 2 to 3 days to make sure the sperm is of the best quality. Another sexual habit that might just be stopping you from getting pregnant is lubricants. So if you are the type that uses lubricants during sex, I want you to be sure that the lubricants you are using, they are fertility friendly lubricants. There are some lubricants that are not fertility friendly, in that they can kill sperm. So before you use any lubricant and you are trying to conceive, darling, just pick the lubricant and check. If the lubricant is hydroxyl-L2 based, then you are safe. This kind of lubricants, they are fertility friendly. But for other ones in the market, please be very careful how you use it. And then the use of saliva is prohibited if you are trying to get pregnant. Please do not use saliva to spice things up when you are trying to get pregnant. Please do not use the water-based lubricants. They are not fertility friendly. They can stop you from getting pregnant.